Hello, this is AbandonedPig, and today I will be teaching you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So this is a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, and yeah, so let's go ahead and mix it up. I found that since I can solve Rubik's Cubes, it's really hard to mix them up without solving them. So that looks pretty mixed up. So the first step is to get all four colors on the top. So I usually start with yellow. So you just want to find the yellow pieces and move them up to the top. So just like this. So to get this one up to the top, you want to put it underneath like that. Turn it down and spin it around, then up. Turn the bottom layer down, then the side layer down and up. So then we have the first layer complete. So sometimes you will find that these don't match. So if they don't match, just say like these two match and these two don't. You need to swap these two. So to swap them, you do right inverted, the bottom, then right, then you need to do left, then bottom inverted, and left inverted. Then you need to do right inverted, bottom, and right. Then they'll be like that. So now you want to solve so you see that the opposite side. So this will be white. So what we need to do is we need to bring all the white pieces up. So to do that, since there are none, we want to look around the edges to find one that's on this side here. So there just happens to be a white piece there. So we want to do the algorithm right, top, right inverted, top, right, double top, and then right inverted. Then you'll find it that there's one piece here. Then we need to do this again. So you keep repeating this until it will solve itself. So we'll do right, top, right inverted, top, right, double top, right inverted. As you can see, it's completed itself. There'll be some stages when you'll find that there will be two on the top. So what you need to do is you need to have a white piece in this place here. So you turn it until you find a white piece there, and then you do the algorithm again. And then you repeat it, and then you put it in the corner and keep repeating it until you get all four white pieces on the top. Then you look around the edge and find two matching pairs. If you can't find two matching pairs, we'll do the algorithm anyway. So with no matching pairs, you choose any side and you do right inverted, front, right inverted, double back, right, front inverted, right, double back, double right, and then you'll need to turn this into the correct place. So now you do that same algorithm again. Right inverted, front, right inverted, double back, right, front inverted, right inverted, double back, double right, and then you want to just turn it until it's completed. So there we have it. We have completed the 2x2 Rubik's Cube.